Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool animated banner, logo and featured image for your collection for free. And this is assuming you already have some NFTs that you created that you can upload, that you already have an account with Rarible, OpenSea, one of these NFT minting sites. I'm using OpenSea. Um, and you already have, a Coinbase account or a MetaMask, one of these crypto accounts that you can link and create um, and sign up for one of these NFT minting sites. If you don't have this set up, then I have some links below and some videos you can watch that I use to set mine up, and then you can come back here once you have your NFT created and once you're ready to create a collection. So what is a collection? Let's start with that. So if I'll pull up one of my collections here. I'll look at the cool camel. I call it cool camel floss on the blockchain. As you can see, I created an animated banner. I am going to update the featured image as an animated one as well. We'll do that together today. But I just uploaded some of my characters, similar characters, different designs. Then I'll show you how to, create some cool logos, featured image, banner, and make it like a little bit animated. And it'll look cool. So let's start. There's a site you can go to that I use. It's called Canva. So if you go to canva.com, you will see this page. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account. I just used my Yahoo email address and created an account. So once you have an account, you'll just basically go to create design, and you can search for what you're looking for. In this case, we're going to start with the logo because that's what we want to put here under the logo image in OpenSea. Okay, so I'm going to go to logo. All right. Now, the logos, they have all these pre-made templates, but I want to use my own art, which I'm assuming you want to do too, right? So you can upload, and you can upload from your computer. I already uploaded some of my images here, but I'm going to upload another new one that I saved here under my cool camel folder. Here he is. Gold money is what I'm calling him. CK gold money. And then it uploads here. You see that little, it looks like the water is filling up here. So now I have my image in there. I'm just going to click on it, and boom, it's going to go already sized up here. I think we can increase it. Let me try increasing it, see how that looks. If it doesn't fit, when you go back to OpenSea and you put it in here and it's kind of cut off, you can go back and resize it. There's no limit to the number of times you can go in here for free. Now I wanted to animate it, so you see a little animate button at the top. It's not like a crazy animation, but it does a little bit of movement. You'll see here, if you hover over this, it shows you kind of what it does. It just kind of moves it. Now, if it has a little crown here, that means it's a premium edition, and you have to pay for that, like I guess a subscription with Canva. So I'm not going to use those since they're paid. I'm going to go ahead and use one of these free ones here. So this one kind of flips over. That's kind of cool. Let's see here. That kind of goes up. Well, I like this flipping one, so let's use that one that kind of flips in. So I'm going to click on that, and now that's going to be my animated image. Then if you click on share here, you go to download. It's going to say MP4 is suggested, but I don't think you can upload an MP4 here. I know you can do a GIF, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you can change it to GIF and then download. Let's just give you some ad while it's downloading, but you can see here the bar here, the menu bar is gonna, or the loading bar, and then boom, it comes down here. It doesn't have a title, so you can title it after you save it. So I'm gonna open it in the folder, and I'm gonna rename this. So let's rename this CK Gold Money. Okay, that's what I'm going to call it. Boom. Then I'm going to move it to my Cool Camel folder. If we open this thing up, boom, there we go. It's animated. So then I can go over back to OpenSea. Boom. Okay, it loaded in there. Cool. Then there's a featured image. This image will be used for featuring your collection. So I already have one saved uh, here that I did on Canva. Okay, let me try that one. Okay, yeah. So that one's also animated. And then I want to do a banner. So let me show you. I already have a banner, but I'm going to show you how I did the banner. So now, when you do the banner, you're going to go back to Canva. So here we are. Create a design, and then I put in banner. Now, the one I'm using for OpenSea is a canvas banner because the sizing is a good size, 1000 by 250 pixel, and that fits in OpenSea. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my uploads. Now I'm going to add all my pictures in there. You know how it's layering. You see how it's layering on top of each other. We can move it, so don't worry. So boom, and you can resize it very easily. Just put it whatever way you want. I mean, I'm just going to put any random design because I'm just giving you guys an example so you can see. Okay, I think that's cool. And then also if you want to layer on top or underneath, so this, see how this one is underneath that one? If you just click on this and you click on position, you can do forward, and then this pops up in the front, or you click on it again and you go backward and this goes back behind. So you can position it, you know, on top or behind. If you click on here, you'll see color, so you can change the background color if you want. So let's just make it like a let's see, like a darker color. Okay, if you click over here on text, you can add a heading, which is just, you know, standard text. You can also choose one of these, but I'll just use the standard text for now. So cool camels, cool camel floss in the blockchain. Okay, now you can't really see it too well, so you can change the color here. Once you click on the text, then these menu options pop up. So let's change it. Okay, now I can kind of see it. You can also add, if you click on effects, you can add some shadow. So let's add some shadow there, and you can change the shadow color here. So I change it to black, and then I can make it up the transparency. It kind of makes it a little bit sharper. The direction just moves the shadow around in the back. So I'll leave that. Well, actually, no, the offset does. What does this do? Oh, this moves the direction of the shadow, and this offsets the shadow from the white lettering. And what's this blur do? The blur just blurs the back shadow. To make this a little bit bigger, just click on it and expand it. It's very easy to use. If I want to center it, just kind of hover over the line here, and then this little grid comes up, and then you can move it around. You can do different types of writing. So if I click on sparkle here, it'll be like sparkle letters. So you just delete the sample one they have, and see, and you can resize it, you know, by using this, making it longer. This looks kind of cool, actually. Okay, maybe I'll keep that too in there. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can change the color on this too. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So you can change the color on it. Okay, maybe I'll use purple. Effects. You can do some stuff on this, making it a little bit lighter or darker with intensity. What's this? You can shape it or curves. I don't like that curve. So anyway, you can do some things. You can play around with it. So let's use this, and then we want to animate it, right? So now we go back to animate. Let's see. We can do this. We can do this one to the side. So a bunch of different options. Let's see what the premium ones look like. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, but I'm not going to pay for it. So, oh, what was that? Interesting. Maybe I'll try this one. Okay, so this would be the one I'm going to use. So what was it? Canvas banner. That's what I use, canvas banner. And now we got a banner that I can load onto OpenSea for my banner image. So let's go ahead and hit share, download, not MP4. We're going to go with the GIF here. We're going to download that one. So again, the little status bar is going to load. And once it's done, it'll be showing up at the bottom. Here it is. Oh, okay, this has a name to it, I guess, because I put some text in there, that's why. So I'm going to show it in my folder, Cool Camel Floss in the Blockchain GIF file. I'm going to save it to my Cool Camel folder from my downloads. Let's put it in there. Okay, now let's push it on over to OpenSea. Here we go. Bam. There you go. Fits right in perfectly. See all the pictures. You can see all the writing. So it's animated. Now you can name it. So cool camel flossing the blockchain. Okay, the name is available. So I guess you have to have a unique name. Now this, you're going to keep this URL here. You're just going to change the last part of it to the name of your collection. So I'm going to put here, I'm just going to put cool camel. Oops, no, other way around. Cool, yeah, put camel with the K just to be different. Oh, because I already have a collection named that, so I'm going to put cool camels. Okay, cool camels flossing the blockchain. Get your favorite, oh, can't spell. Get your favorite, I'll put in parentheses since it's spelled incorrectly, camel now. Okay, if you're going to sell it or something, I'm just putting that there. Add a category, I'm just going to put art. Also, if you have your own website, if you have a Discord, Insta, I have an Insta here, Sam's Art Studio 1. I don't have Medium, and I don't have, what is that? I don't have that either. So I'm just going to put this. Earnings fee. Now, if you want to make a royalty fee, if you start selling and other people start selling this stuff, you can put a royalty. I'm just putting 2.5%. And then you got to put your wallet address in here. I'm not going to show that, but if you click on your wallet, once it's linked, you can get your address here. You can copy that and bam, put it in there. And also, you can use Ethereum, or Polygon is free. There's no, they call it a gas fee. They charge a fee if you use Ethereum. If you want to use, I guess, a different type of crypto, but we're just going to use Polygon. And then you can just kind of change the way it's laid out, I guess, the collection. So I'm just going to keep it on this one here, contained, and then, of course, explicit content, if there is, and you would open that, and then you would hit create, and then boom, your collection would be created. And it would look something like this. So once you create it, then you'll come to your page, and then yeah, you would see this animated thing here, and then you would see all the ones that you have in your collection. Now I'll be doing another video showing you how to use this NFT generator to make, if you're trying to make a collection. If you have maybe one character design and you want to make multiple variations of that character, I will be doing that soon. If this was useful, please hit the like button so more people can see it. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.